Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm from Seattle, Washington, and I want to be a teacher because I want to share my love of math and show students the wide range of topics in math and how it's applicable in their lives. We're at Balaton and we're at a math camp for, I think, high schoolers primarily. They're getting math lessons from some of the staff here, and we taught a couple lessons. I taught mine earlier today and I think it went pretty well. I think overall the students enjoyed the lesson and I personally had a great time. The most valuable thing I've got out of the camp was talking to the Hungarian staff members here. Yesterday I had a conversation with one of the teachers, Lily Kata, and she was telling me about Hungarian math education in high schools. In the Hungarian math education, I've noticed a lot more of an emphasis on a dialogue between the teacher and students, where it's okay to be wrong in the middle of the process, and it's okay to come up with half solutions and then talking about what worked and what didn't and how can we get to a better solution or a better way of thinking about the problem. Another thing that's great about the camp here is it's great to see students who are interested in math and are clearly very passionate about math. I definitely want to work more with a guided discovery style classroom where I don't present students with the right answer immediately or the correct method of doing certain problems immediately, and instead letting them struggle with the problem. I feel like that comes with the aspect of accepting that you're not always right and not being oriented in so that students have to get the right answer. Kind of more of a gamified aspect where students are just almost playing games or working on puzzles and developing an intuition for how to think better. We've taken part in some activities that are not really math lessons. We went dancing last night. Some of the staffers taught how to, I think, dance a Roomba, and that was a fun time. I don't really go dancing that often or like learn how to do that. Besides that, it's really cool to get to interface with the students here. Teaching my lesson and watching other staff members teach their lessons was useful in learning how to conduct a class and how to, I'd say, ask good questions and lead students along in problem solving and thinking about math problems so that the students get to the answer and learn something along the way. I had a lot of fun with the new people that I met here at BSME. An interesting thing about this program is that everyone comes from across the country, so nobody knew each other before coming here. So we've been staying in one cabin. There's 10 of us here at the camp, and so we've all gotten to know each other very well, learning about everybody's stories and where they're coming from and where they want to go in life. I think that's something that I really learned about myself here, is that I've always considered myself, I think, a little bit more introverted, but coming here, I definitely felt more extroverted and like I could just talk to everyone in the program and get to know them a little bit. I had a great time with everyone. Everyone was fantastic, and I hope I see them again in the future, honestly. It's really sad that we're all leaving and going our separate ways here. I'm going to miss a lot of people. They've been quite wonderful.